FDA team today has focused on the surveillance of these chicken stalls which are operating on the roadside without permission and without following the stipulated hygiene norms. So today we have closed down 7 of these such stalls, 2 in Bastoda and the remaining here in Kanka area. These stalls were primarily operating without any permission from the FDA, and they were in an absolute unhygienic condition. They have been asked to discontinue the activity, and we will also be writing to the local body giving them directions not to issue any such permissions on the roadside stall. Similarly, we have also closed one general store, and we have booked one vendor today in Bicholim, Mr. Raika, Naresh Raika Devasi. He has been operating for 5 years without FDA permission, and he is been supplying laddus for many festive occasions. So he has been booked, and a 25,000 fine has been imposed on this vendor in Bicholi area. We have done our routine surveillance at the Mapsa market yard, where we have drawn samples of fruits. This check is part of our continuous checks that we are monitoring by drawing regular samples.